Thank you, Rashi. Good morning, sirs, dignitaries. I'll be very brief. This is the third edition of the SecureIT conference, and we have now become one of the premier events that discuss the use of ICT in public safety, security, and disaster management in the country, bringing together experts from the government, security industry, practitioners, and civil society representatives. The focus areas of the conference would be homeland safety, border security, infrastructure including the data application and the communication infrastructure, issues related to internet governance, use of ICT in disaster management, and emergency response services. So we'll be having 4 sessions today. The inaugural session theme is Securing Citizens Through Technology, where we'll attempt to present an overview of the overall security scenario in the country and the use of ICT for disaster management. The session will also aim at identifying a policy roadmap for making effective use of ICT to ensure better security and safety for citizens in the country. The second session, which is the first technical session, is titled Information Security. We will focus on issues related to the communication network, data, and application, highlight some threats emerging as well as existent, and the policies that we are trying to put in place to address these threats. The second technical session is titled ICT in National Security and Policing, and here we'll be mainly discussing the CCTNS and the use of ICT for other state-wide variations of the CCTNS. The third session is Managing Information for Safety and Security, where we'll try and address some important highlights from the use of ICT for disaster management in census operations and also for some other areas such as fire safety and urban planning. Let me just give you a brief overview of what we do. Elets Technomedia is a company that publishes 3 magazines and conducts a number of conferences on the issue of ICT in the overall field of development with 3 focus areas: governance, education, and health. eGov is our flagship magazine. It's Asia's first and India's only monthly magazine on e-governance. Founded in 2005, we focus on highlighting the effective use of ICT mainly in India and also occasionally from abroad. Digital learning focuses on the use of ICT for enhancing the reach of traditional infrastructure and traditional methods in teaching, and we focus on trends, perspective, researches, etc. in the field of education. Our third magazine and the youngest, eHealth, is Asia's first on ICT in healthcare. Launched in December 2006, its aim is to disseminate information on technology changes in the healthcare sector. I'll just run through this, our coming events. Maharashtra is going to host eMaharashtra. It's a state-specific conference and awards. One-day event. We'll be having representation from various departments of the government of Maharashtra, and we'll also be having concurrent awards recognizing excellence in the use of ICT in governance, health, and education. eWorld Forum at New Delhi in June. This will be a governance-specific event. We'll be focusing on the e-governance domain, and we'll also be having awards in the same event as well. E-India is our flagship event. It is the largest ICT event in India. We just had a very successful edition in December in Gujarat, where the Honorable Chief Minister was present at the inaugural, and almost the entire Gujarat government was represented in various sessions. So we'll be having parallel tracks on governance, education, and health running concurrently alongside workshops and technical sessions. Side by side, we also have awards recognizing excellence in the use of ICT for development. That's it. Thank you.